Now that we've unboxed the Fusion hearing aids, let's walk through the initial setup. Once the plastic stickers are removed, start by placing the hearing aids into the charging case. Plug in the USB-C cable and observe the LED lights. Once the left and right lights turn orange, your device is activated. When the lights turn green, it indicates it is now fully charged. The center light will be lit up orange when it's charging. Once completely charged, the center LED light will turn green. Utilizing the precise ear tips is important to experience optimal sound and comfort. There are 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Attach the ear tips to the hearing aids, then insert them into your ears. You may initially hear a slight whistle. This is normal and will fade as the hearing aids adjust. You may want to try out different sizes and compare the sound and comfort. In some cases, you may need a small one in one ear and a medium or large in the other. The hearing aid has 4 preset programs for different environments. Hold the button for 3 seconds to switch programs: 1 beep for normal, 2 beeps for restaurant mode, 3 for outdoors, and 4 for music. To adjust the volume, tap the button once. It'll keep increasing until you hear 3 continuous beeps signaling maximum volume. Tap again to reset to the lowest volume setting. When you're done, simply remove the hearing aids and place them back into the charging case with the ear tips still attached. To make sure they're charging, the LED lights will turn on.